Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my another video. Hope you all are doing great and Alhamdulillah I am also doing great. So today I am very excited to speak about a very important thing with you. So for this I came here today and place this place is very common for us and for all my viewers. I know that because I practiced long 1 month in this place my English. So today I'm also came here to speak something very important and to discuss something very important with you. So let's start our topics, our discuss, and our topics is how we can use our voice, our tone properly. Because we don't know that some of know that our voice, our tone, our mouth is very important, but we can't use this properly. For this makes a mistake. So today in this video I will try to discuss deeply in this how we can use this tone properly. So let's start our discuss.
So, first of all, before start, I want to speak a sentence that I'm also a learner. Though I'm not a beginner, but I'm a learner. I am practicing. I'm learning every day, and by practicing, so making mistakes is simple for me. So, if my viewers, if you want to, if you find any mistakes in video that you can comment me. Your one comment is also helpful to improve my English, and also it's makes me happy. So let's start. And first of all, we some of us know that um, our tone, our mouth, our voice is very important. We can control another person by speaking, by using our mouth. But many of, and also yes, I am speaking, and I'm speaking about it. Something is not that I am a pro, and I used my voice every time with properly. Not that. I'm speaking where I realized yesterday that it's very important because, and I also need to today. I also need to make a video, long video for this. I search topics, and I catch these topics and talk with these topics, and yeah, learn. I read something yesterday night about this topics, and now I am describing, I'm speaking. Then it's also helpful to me to maintain, to obey this sentence. So for this, I'm speaking in my video, and now starts. Uh, you all know some more and less, but we know that speaking and our mouth and our voice, our tone is very important. If once we can use this properly, we use this perfect place, then it's very important, or it's very helpful for us to maintain not only our life but also to control another person. But we don't use this properly. We use this when we don't need this, then we use this. But when this tone, this needs, then we can't use this. So from today, we need to use this sentence to we need to use our voice, our vocal with perfect place, perfect time, perfect moment. But it also increase our personality, and also it increase our sentence when we can we know that when we can stay silent, or when we need to speak. If we can know this, we can know this, or we can use this properly, then it's also increase, or it's also helpful for us. Then someone respects us, and also we can increase by doing this our responsibility, our respectness. So for this very important for us, and I don't want to make my video long because I know that my long video for my viewers is don't helpful. They don't want they then think that watching long video is maybe wasting their time. So for this, I don't want to make this video long. I I hope that you got it that uh, controlling our voice, controlling our tone is very important for us. So I'm just give one concept that it's very important. It's very important topic. So we need to stay silent. In some place we need to stay silent, and some place another place we need to speak. This is very important. So overall, we need to control our mind, control our mouth. Yes, this very important. If you can control, you can take the control your mouth, then you can take the control of your friends. Or when you need to speak, then you can control surrounding your people, home, your friends, your family, your parents. It's very important. And also I can control this my mouth. For this I'm speaking, because if I speak, then it's helpful. It will help to maintain to obey me. So for the and I also spoke a lot of um, this sentence. So that's all for today. If you find this video fruitful, at least something, then you can share this video with your friends, and also you can help me in, you can encourage me, you can support me. You one support is very important for me. So that's all for today. And if you want to increase, I also give you a bonus tips. As you are watching my video, then I know that you also want to speak English fluently, and also you can speak English, you can improve your speaking quality. Then take me from me the one tips that, and don't think that you can speak English overnight. That's harmful. That's not possible. You have to be increase day by day, little by little. So practice every single day, at least 10 minutes, and grow little by little. So have a good day.